Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start right away. Power the phone off. Make sure battery is above 20% because interruptions can corrupt state. Once the device is fully off, press and hold the power button to boot. When the Infinix logo appears, immediately press and keep volume down held. This tells Android to disable third-party apps during startup, so you isolate crashes or slowdowns. You do this now to avoid wasted time toggling settings while the system is unstable. Once you hold volume down through the logo, keep holding until the home or lock screen finishes loading. This ensures the kernel loads without third-party services. When you see Safe Mode in the corner, you know only system apps run, so you can test behavior. If the phone reboots normally, repeat the exact timing. Full shutdown, power on, and press volume down as soon as the logo shows. Make sure to test the failing feature while in safe mode to confirm the cause. To exit, simply reboot the Infinix normally. Safe mode clears on a restart. If problems disappear in safe mode, uninstall the last apps you installed, because one of them likely caused the issue. If issues persist even in safe mode, wipe the system cache from recovery or backup and factory reset as a last resort. These steps remove corrupted system data. Troubleshooting tip. If safe mode won't enable, check that volume keys are not physically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.